Hello dear children, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Funde. Here we are going to study about types of angles. Angles are made when corners are formed. The angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. The two rays forming the angle are called the arms or sides of the angle, and the common end point is the vertex of the angle. As here you can see, the angle is made up of two rays OA and OB, and their common end point is O. So the given angle is angle AOB. Angles are measured in degree. So based on their measurement, angles are classified into different types. Let us see the types of angle now. The first type is acute angle. As you can see, the given angle is less than the angle of 90 degree here. So the angle that measures less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Here the given angle measures exact 90 degree. So the angle which measures exact 90 degree is called as right angle. The next type is obtuse angle. As here we can observe that the given angle is greater than 90 degree. So the angle that measures greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. Here we can see the angle is given in the form of a straight line, which is the combination of two right angles, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree. The sum is 180 degree. So the angle that measures exact 180 degree, that is a straight line, is called a straight angle. The next angle given to us is more than 180 degree. You can see the line has been completed by the dotted line here. This is showing us 180 degree, and the given angle to us is more than 180. So the angle which measures greater than 180 degree is called as reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. Here we can observe the given angle is a complete revolution. So the angle which measures exact 360 degree is called as complete angle. Now let us recall what we have learnt here. Acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degree. Right angle is an angle whose measure is exact 90 degree and it is 1/4 of a revolution. Obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then straight angle is an angle that measures exact 180 degree and it is half of a revolution. It can be observed in the form of a straight line also. Reflex angle is an angle that measures more than 180 degree. And at last, complete angle that measures exact 360 degree and it is a complete revolution. Hope the types of angles are clear to you. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.